Do you know despite best efforts and intentions, many projects miss their targets? As per the study conducted by the McKinsey Group, 98% of EPC projects incur cost overruns or delays. 34% of projects have no baseline, which means 1 out of 3 projects do not plan their initial cost or schedule baseline. Surprising, isn't it? If you are also struggling to find a balance between project cost and schedule of the well-planned project, then chances are that you may be ignoring project controls activities on your project. Or even you might not have invested sufficient time and money at the beginning of a project to develop a robust project controls plan. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn about the concepts of project control. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. So, what exactly project control is? Well, if something bad is going to happen on a project, it's most likely going to impact project cost or schedule. Many times, project managers are not very well aware of these facts and spend less time in planning. This leads to many negative risks and impacts on project performance. Usually, a project manager has a bigger role to play in the overall management of project activities to ensure the completion of work. That is why a dedicated function of project control is deployed for continuous identification and monitoring of such risks as cost overrun and schedule slippage. As the name implies, project controls are about controlling the project and safeguarding from exceeding budgets and timelines. Project control is a process that encompasses the resources, procedures, and tools for monitoring and controlling all phases of the project lifecycle. This includes estimation, cost, and schedule management, risk management, change management, earned value progressing, forecasting, and many more. Project control is an iterative process for measuring project status, forecasting the likely outcomes based on project data measurements, and improving project performance. The project control plan should outline the people, project controls processes, and the tools required to integrate the core elements of your project. So, talking about the formal definition of project control, it is similar across various project management bodies. According to the Project Management Body of Knowledge, project control consists of data collection management and analysis processes used to predict and constructively influence the time and cost results of a project or program by communicating information in formats that support effective management and decision-making. As per the Association for Project Management, project control is defined as the application of processes to measure project performance against the project plan, to enable variances to be identified and corrected so that project objectives are achieved. So, basically, project control is a set of people skills, processes, and tools that are used together to help project managers have the right information, at the right time, to make the right decision. Project control is all about controlling the 3 flows of the project. That is the flow of resources, the flow of information, and financial flow. It ensures projects overcome common obstacles like inaccurate forecasting, manual data input or storage errors, improper resource allocation, misplaced budget, or schedule optimism, lacking enough data to make informed decisions. And now you know what is project control. If you'd like to know more about project control, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.